gonna tell the people what you're doing.
So this is the salt gun. You got it. For some reason we got a bunch of flies in here.
He's just trying to get revenge.
You shoot salt at them, but they're hard to hit. Have you ever noticed a fly moves quick? Flies move pretty quick. Okay, there are definitely 2 in here.
Carter's gonna be mad when he sees this episode. If you
Look over here.
yes, it went in my eye.
You get it?
Ow.
We got him. We got a little fly infestation going on. Here. Now saddle up with the gun.
No, I'm just gonna let him fly into my light down here.
Oh, oh, we have a bug light in here. You alright?
Yeah.
You have salt on your gun?
Do I? Pondering in the thought over here. Well, we got 95 boxes to make.
Oh.
So we have coffee throughout the hospital, different machines and Keurigs and things. So they have all the Keurigs, but instead of dropping off a big box of Z cups, we're doing individual boxes that they can bring to all the stations. The thing is, we already had the big boxes made, so we get to convert them back down real quick. So I'm trying to find a better way to do this while
Just
doing it.
doing a 30 count in each box.
Yep.
You need us to get some K-cups or something like that?
Eden has a ton
Does
out
she?
there. Yeah.
You know, she didn't know.
I have currently 2.5 of the 95 done. So yeah.
We'll get there. I would think willy-nilly.
Stupid ass phone too. Apple silenced the call when they tried to get into the building.
Oh, they tried to deliver it in the building. Well, don't they usually have the code?
Since the new people took over the law, they've been sticklers. Well, most of the time it's been a mail service, like post office, like USPS. Now, since the new Amazon plants have been opening up, there've been more Amazon trucks going out for deliveries.
Banger. Cool. You gonna get POV of cups?
Each of these have 50 in them, but we're putting them in the 6x6s, which each have 30 in them. So it's taking them from 9 boxes to a whopping 15. So the way I've been doing it, which I think might be the easiest way, is to just leave like 2 or 3 boxes out on the table and then just fill it, and then refill as you go.
So what's
This is limiting my efficiency.
yeah? What's the system you're doing?
You gotta ladder it.
Put it on.
Yes.
It's like a point of view thing for your phone. So we're gonna.
Your face? That'd be crazy. That would be so funny. Yeah, that is my face.
And then you do 0.5. Go ahead and press record on that because I'm gonna sync them up in post. She's gonna make a drink.
I'll make a drink.
You wanna make a drink?
Not my hand.
It's insane. It's a POV of Barista. I didn't want that in my drink. That's what it says. You're not really talkative.
Oh, I didn't think about it. Alright, let's shake the ice espresso. The lid was not all the way on.
Yeah.
That's exciting. I'm gonna go almond milk. Almond milk. And fill up to the line. I made a toasted marshmallow and vanilla latte.
Is that your go-to?
And I'm pretty sure I made it with an extra shot.
You did. Definitely a lot of espresso in there.
I was like messing with her yesterday with the tiny mics.
Okay guys, today I am going to show you how to make our cherry blossom latte. It is right around the corner, so it has to be fitting. I'm going to use a hot shot because I like them hot shots. So now we're going to, oh, that's not supposed to happen. We're going to get our espresso. Have a great day. I'm going to get our espresso grinding because I like the fresh shots. Fresh shots are the best. Boom. Bam. Wham bam. Thank you. Bam. Alright, so we're definitely not doing whole milk because my tummy is bad for my tummy. But we got some oats. Okay. Get just this little bit. Alright, so we got our vanilla cherry and our milk. And we got that hot shot. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. You're so silent. Obviously we need some ice in there. But it will do for now. It will do, donkey. It will do. Okay. Now it's time for the code phone. You have the choice between cherry and vanilla, but I'm a cherry girly, so we're gonna go with cherry. Mary Catherine over there. Alright. This was my OG favorite. The very first favorite coffee I've ever had here. Never gets old either. Fluff. Bam. Oh, and now we're ready for that Cherry Blossom Festival with our Cherry Blossom Latte. Don't look at that. Boom. Customer ready. Order for Mary Catherine.